Alright, good morning students. Welcome to topic 8, writing and presenting proposals. Let's look at the learning objects of this topic first. By the end of this topic, you should be able to define what a research proposal is. And by the end of this topic also, you should be able to list the questions that should be addressed by a research proposal. Third, you should be able to outline the steps for writing a good research proposal. And last but not least, you should be able to explain other types of research proposals. Students, you are now in college, but are you still asking the question, what is a research proposal? Well, I don't blame you if you have limited knowledge of this type of a project, since you are not really alone in this dilemma. Many students are still confused in defining what really a research paper is. Well, this topic is to provide you some info on what dissertations are and give you some pointers on how to write them. Now students, what is a research proposal? Well, a research proposal is actually a simple school project that aims to find more information about a specified topic interest. Usually, a research proposal may also be called a thesis paper, dissertation paper, or research paper thesis. No matter what the name may be, the same instructions will be employed, that is, to research. Students, just like the explanation speech in topic 4, all research proposals should address all the WH questions. For example, what, who, why, what for, when, and how. Let's look at the first question. What are you studying? So therefore, your research proposal should identify the subject or topic of research. The question, who is it for? So therefore, students, you need to identify the stakeholders involved in the research project. What do you wish to do? Clearly outline what you intend to do once approval is given. What do you hope to accomplish? This question relates to the significance of your research project. Next question, why do you want to do it? This question explain your reasons for doing the study. And the last question, how are you going to do it? Well, this question should describe the procedures and methods in gathering data, data analysis, tests to be carried out, and etc. Next, students, elements of a proposal. You need to have a clear plan about your research proposal from the outset of your project. You have to be very clear about the main elements you wish to put into your proposal. The elements that should be found in a good research proposal are: the first one, introduction and theoretical framework. This is the part that provides readers with the background info for the research in the paper. The next one, statement of the problem. It is important in a proposal that the problem stand out, that the reader can easily recognize it. The third one, purpose of the study. Briefly define and delimit the specific area of the research. The fourth one, review of the literature. It means the review of the literature provides the background and context for the research problem. The fifth element of a proposal is questions and/or hypothesis. It means that a research question poses a relationship between two or more variables, but phrases the relationship as a question. A hypothesis represents a declarative statement of the relationships between two or more variables. The next element is the design, methods, and procedures. The methods and procedures section is really the heart of the research proposal. Indicate the methodological steps you will take to answer every question or to test every hypothesis illustrated in the question or in the hypothesis section. The next element is limitations and delimitations. Limitation identifies potential weaknesses of the study, whereby delimitations addresses how a study will be narrowed in scope that is how it is bounded. The next element is significance of the study. Indicate how your research will refine or extend existing knowledge in the area under investigation. The next one will be references. Follow APA or MLA guidelines. The last element is appendixes. Students, the need for complete documentations generally dictates the inclusion of appropriate appendixes in proposals. There are other types of proposals besides research proposals. Let's look at the slide. The first one is the formal and informal proposals. Formal proposals should always start with a title page, a table of content, and an executive summary or abstract of the proposal. However, informal proposal, although written neatly and in a structured manner like the formal proposal, is usually done on a smaller scale and normally carries less weight than a formal proposal. To write a business proposal, which is the next type of proposal that gets the business, requires plenty of preparation and work. Should have fully understand of the client's business, industry, and also challenges. If you want your business proposal to stand out in the sea of competing firms, then the essential step is to interview your client. The last type of proposal is proposals for feasibility study. As the name implies, a feasibility study is an analysis of a viability of an idea. The feasibility study focuses on helping answer the essential question: should we proceed with the proposed project idea? So all activities of the study are directed toward helping answer this question. Okay, students, we have come to the end of topic 8. A research proposal aims to convince others that you have a worthwhile research project and that you have the competency and skills to successfully complete it. In topic 8 also tells you that every proposal addresses certain key questions in research, answers all the WH question, what, for, whom, how, why, and etc. This topic also tells us that a research proposal comprises key elements including an introduction, problem statement, research methodology, analysis, conclusion, and bibliography. Topic 8 also tells us that some research studies require to find sponsors to find the project that we call stakeholders. Proposals also can be formal or informal. Informal proposals usually do not aim to get funding or an academic degree, whereby business or marketing research proposals need to be clearly written in order to help you win that contract. Therefore, we have come to the end of tutorial 4. I'll see you in the next tutorial.